welcome again to Math Sessions with Mr. M. And today we are going to deal with arithmetic series. So basically we have on screen a problem that is given to us that T4 is equal to 55, and then we have T10 equals to 45. So we are asked to find Tn less than 0. So this is what we need to find. So basically the first things first that we do here is basically take note of the general formula, which is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 difference. So now, because we know that Tn, we are going to work one at a time, so we substitute T4, which is 55, and therefore a plus, which is now T4 is 3 minus 1 is going to give us a 3 multiplied by a d. So this is the first equation. So the second equation would be T10, which is 45, equals to a plus, because it's T10, it's going to be a 9d. So we have a second equation. So we already have now two equations that we have on this one. So basically we tell the marker that we are going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So basically what I'm saying is this, that is 55 minus 45 is going to be left with a 10, a minus a 0, so 3 minus 9, we're going to be negative 6d. So we are basically working out here d. So we have a d that is equal to 10 divided by negative 6. You are going to be left with 5 over negative 3. So that is our difference right there. So basically the marker already knows and has noted that you have find the difference. So we need now to find our a. So our a is easy. We are going to substitute d on equation 1, which is right here. So basically we have a 55 there, which is equal to, which is a plus 3, you multiply it by a negative 5 over 3, substituting in the place of d, because we already have found d. So now we are going to have on this one a negative of 3, negative of 5. Basically we are going to have a 55 equals to a negative 5. So negative 5, take it to the other side of the equal sign, you are going to have a 60 in the place of a. So we have found a to be 60. So we found a, we found d, we found our equations, first things first. So now we are going to, because we are asked to find Tn less than 0. Now we take note of our general formula, because Tn is equal to, let's take that one off. Tn, we know very well that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So now we know very well that we have found our a to be 60, we have found our d to be negative 5 over 3. So in this instance we are going to have on this side a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, which is our Tn is less than 0. So we have a, which is 60, plus n minus 1, difference negative 5 over 3, which is the one that we found, becomes less than 0. So now we are going to substitute, take this 60 on the other side of the equal sign and multiply it throughout by a negative 5 over 3, which we're going to have on this side, on the left hand side of the sign. We are going to have a negative 5 over 3 and plus 5 over 3 less than negative 60. So we are now calculating n. So basically now we are going to subtract the 5 over 3 from the negative 60. So basically what we are saying is this, that negative 60 subtracted by a 5 over 3. We are going to have basically on this side negative 5 over 3n less than negative 61, comma 66666 up to 67. So now we divide it by negative 5 over 3, negative 5 over 3. You are supposed to get n to be less than 37. So that is the final answer when it comes to calculating Tn to be less than 0. So that's all for me, Mr. M, and this arithmetic series. Until we meet again, have a great day and a great evening. God bless you. Bye-bye.